Hello and welcome to this Python tutorial series. We are studying Python data structure set, and in today's video we will create a set which is having single element. Syntax is you have to write the set name. In this case it is at S3. In front of it you have to give opening and closing brace, and inside it you have to give the element. You can create this using a integer 3. You can have a float also here. String is also allowed, which will be considered as a single element. Python. Immutable structures are also allowed. For example, you can have a tuple. In this case our set will have a single tuple, but mutable data structure are not allowed for creation of a set. Set is a mutable data structure, but element of the set cannot be mutable. For example, if you create a set having single element which is a list, will throw an error. You can see it throws a type error, unhashable type list. List cannot be element of the set. That's it. Regarding today's video, we have seen how to create a singleton set. That sets are mutable, but they do not contain elements which are mutable. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do hit the subscribe button for more such technical content. See you in the next video.